I went to go get some bird food for the birds for Valentine's Day. For real. I'll show you how. All bird food. All bird food. This is a big ass bag right here. Sometimes you gotta take care of Mother Nature. You feel me? Feed these birds on Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? So they could go fly back to the Most High and be like, hey, you a good nigga. Hey, you a good one. You a keeper right there. You feel me? I been feeding birds though. I don't know. I just been feeding birds. I been feeding animals. Them are my pets. Birds. They come and go. Nah, this morning though, I did not throw none outside. So it was like a couple of them on my porch was singing for something to eat. So I threw some bread out there. I said, you know what? I'm about to go get y'all some food. That shit only costed $21. It's worth it. You feel me? Just for some good luck. And just to take care of Mother Nature. You feel me? And then it's cold outside. It's cold as hell. Shit, they could be going through the struggle right now. Shit. On Valentine's Day.